Hey everyone, let's talk about what's happening in our local housing market right now. So, the good news is the market has some nice momentum going. We're seeing that more people are looking at homes. We can tell that because we're tracking our showing activity. And we also feel like definitely fall of 2025 feels more active than it has in the last couple of years. But what's different is we're not in the crazy pandemic anymore, and that's probably a good thing. As we looked at last week's showing numbers, we're above the 5-year average, which tells us buyers are out there looking and trying to wrap up a home for the year. What's interesting, I'd say the market has, as we said, changed since the pandemic. We used to see a huge spring rush every year. Now we think the market is a little more evenly spread out. Fall is holding up better than recent years, probably because of lower mortgage rates and buyers who've been sort of waiting and now are finally making their move. As far as inventory goes, we have seen a decent amount of numbers on the home right now. If you're watching this video, you might have some statistics down below to reference. And as we head into winter, there's naturally a drop, but we're expecting to start next year with about 24% more inventory than we had at the beginning of 2025. So this is going to be an interesting time. So again, bottom line, we think things are moving in a positive direction. If this momentum continues, we're looking at a strong spring market. So that's your update for the week. Reach out if you have more specific information about your neighborhood or your home.